How to edit or delete packages in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to edit a pre-existing hosting package. Click the Packages link. Then click Edit a Package. Note that there are only 2 packages created in this WHM reseller plan. If there were others, and you can create as many packages as you wish, they would all be listed here. Select Demo Reseller Silver as the package you wish to edit. Then click Edit. This is the screen we can use to edit the package. Let's change a few things. We have changed the number of max databases. When finished, click the Save Changes button. That's it. The package has been modified as per your new specifications. Now we'll show you quickly how to delete packages you've created or edited. Click the Packages link. Then click Delete a Package. To delete a package from your reseller plan, select it from this list and click the Delete button. Note that deleting packages does not delete the actual hosting accounts that were created using the package. It only removes the package as an option when creating new accounts. This is the end of the tutorial. Remember that you can create as many packages as you wish, delete them or edit them at any time. Doing so does not affect any existing hosting accounts.